In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce MetaTrader 5 memory usage. If you've been using MetaTrader 5 and notice that your system is running a bit slower than you'd like, or if you're simply looking to optimize performance, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll walk through some practical steps to help ease the burden on your system's memory, allowing for a more seamless and efficient trading experience. Let's begin by addressing one of the simplest yet most effective methods, closing unused charts. When working with MetaTrader 5, it's common to have multiple charts open, sometimes too many. Having charts you're not actively using only takes up unnecessary system resources. So take a moment to review all your open charts and close those that you don't need at the moment. You can always reopen them later, but reducing the clutter now will help reduce memory usage significantly. Next, consider reducing the number of indicators you have on your charts. Indicators are an essential part of trading, providing valuable insights and data, but it's easy to overload your system with too many at once. Go through each chart and assess which indicators are truly necessary for your analysis. Remove those that are redundant or not currently useful. Simplifying your setup not only lightens the load on your memory, but also keeps your trading environment more focused and less visually overwhelming. Another important aspect to consider is limiting the use of expert advisors, or EAs. EAs are automated trading tools that can perform trades for you, but having multiple EAs running simultaneously can consume a lot of memory and processing power. Evaluate which EAs are crucial for your current trading strategy, and disable those that aren't immediately necessary. This practice helps free up resources and keeps your platform running smoothly. Now, let's talk about reducing chart history. You'll first want to open the Tools menu and navigate to Options. From there, open up the Charts tab, where you'll see settings for max bars in history and max bars in chart. Lower these values to decrease the amount of data stored and displayed on your charts. Reducing these numbers means that while you may not have as much historical data readily available, your charts will load faster and take up less memory, enhancing overall performance. Clearing cached data is another step that often gets overlooked. Over time, cached files build up and start taking significant space. Periodically clearing this data can free up memory and improve MetaTrader 5's efficiency. While you're tweaking these settings, consider disabling unnecessary news and services. Constant updates and background services can unnecessarily run in the background. Head over to the relevant settings and switch off any options that you don't find useful. This helps reduce network and system resource consumption. Finally, always keep your MetaTrader 5 updated. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance and stability.